Download and play Jump Force on PC. How to download and play Jump Force on PC? So first of all, open Steam software. Now go to search and type Jump Force. So as you can see, we can not find this game here on Steam. Now what you need to do is go to our browser and type Jump Force official website. Now click on it. Now after that, click on the official website. So after you enter or you click on the official website, now after that, click on buy now. Now here, select the edition that you want to buy, and here select the platform. We have PlayStation 4, Xbox One, PC. Now for us, we need to select the PC. Now here select the retailer, as you can see, Steam. Now after you select the retailer as a Steam, click buy now and follow the steps to complete your order. So once you complete your order, you can download the game and play it on your PC. So this is how to download and play Jump Force on PC. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.